Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself diva. The dynamic do-it-yourself diva. This is
TankManJoe.
Don't you have some numbers after that? Okay. Today for Tasty Finds, we're going to I picked this up at Trader Joe's. These are called Cocoa Batons, or if you want to use a French accent, you could go Cocoa Baton. These are delicate rolled wafers filled with rich chocolate cream. Do you like chocolate? I know I do.
I like milk chocolate.
That's your problem. Anyway, let's see. Two of these is one serving, and the calories will be 110 calories. Yes, it looks like that these cookies are this shape of this, well, as tall as this box here. So
I doubt it. It's going to be smaller.
Okay, and this is $1.99, I do believe. So 5 ounces. And I believe you have 12 in here. So let's give it a taste here. Okay, here we go.
Okay, so it looks like I'm cracking this.
This is a great container to put stuff in. So if you're new to my channel, I do reuse a lot of stuff. But okay, we'll keep that short and sweet. All right, anyway, great container. All right, let's open this up. All right, here we go.
Ooh, that looks good.
One for you.
See, you can see the chocolate inside of it.
Yes, you can see the chocolate inside. It's pretty thick. Let's give it a bite. Give it a try. These are one of the few things that Trader Joe's gets right. They are pretty good, in my opinion, with their cookies. If you go down the frozen food aisle and you look above the frozen food area, you'll see they'll have the candies, you know, chocolates, and they'll have crackers, and they'll have cookies. And not too often do I find a cookie that's bad. I like these. On a scale of 1 to 4, I would give this definitely a 4. 4 meaning I will definitely get it again for my own personal consumption. I can see this with a cup of coffee, a nice tea. We're in the winter months now, so you know, you want to have a nice little indulgence, and you know, so I'll give it a 4. 1 means a hard pass. Tank is pretty tough on things, so I don't know what he's gonna say.
I give it a 3. First of
Really?
all, on the box, it's false advertising. They're darker than what it actually looks.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that makes it a 3. But otherwise, I like how the wafer is. It's crispy. The chocolate inside of it is good, but it's dark chocolate, so.
All right, so there you have it. $1.99 for 12 of these. 110 calories. You get to have 2 of these with a cup of tea. I think that'll be pretty nice little indulgence. And yes, they are a little darker than it is on the box, but you know, hey, I hope you enjoyed this. Until next time with Tasty Finds, take care.